Take a look at question number 18. So it says 4 teams play in a tournament in which each of the team plays exactly one game against each of the other 3 teams. Okay. At the end of each game, either the 2 teams tie or one team wins and the other team loses. Okay, so a team is awarded 3 points for a win, 0 points for a loss, and 1 point for a tie. If S is the sum of the points of the 4 teams after the tournament is complete. Okay, so it's the sum of the points of all the teams. Which of the following values can S not equal? All right, so let's think about this. So 4 teams play in a tournament. So let's say these are the 4 teams. And I'm picturing them, playing each other. And this team has to play this team, and this team has to play this team. And this team has to play this team. And I think that's all the combinations, right? Yeah. So we got how many combinations do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, which makes sense. So it's kind of like if you know 4 choose 2, right? 4 choose 2 is equal to 6. So if a team is awarded 3 points for a win, 0 points for a loss, and 1 point for a tie. So there's all of these there's 6 different combinations. There's 6 matches. And out of those 6 matches, we can have win, loss, and tie. So each of those 3 matches have 3 outcomes, right? It's like win, loss, or tie. So that's like, if we're thinking of how many combinations or how many possibilities there are, I would say there's 6 times 3, or yeah. Is that true? There's 6 times 3, 18 different possibilities? Yeah, I think so. So if S is the sum of points for the 4 teams after the tournament is complete, which of the following can S not equal? I'm just taking a look at the numbers to see if there's any of them that just pop out to me. So we have 13, we have 17, 11, 16, and 15. So supposing that in all the 6 matches, we have like one of the team is winning, right? And then the other team lost. Let's say there are no ties. So then you have 6 matches with times 3 that won, plus 6 matches times 0 for the teams that lost. The total score for S would be 18 points, right? So it's possible to get up to 18 points. And let's say, what if they all tied? What if you all, like all the teams tied with each other? Then you would have 6 times 1 plus 6 times 1. So one of the teams that tied will get 1 point. The other team that tied will also get 1 point for the game. And that is a total of 12 points, right? So I think that represents kind of the minimum and the maximum point totals. So right off the bat, I'm just my intuition says that 11 is not a possible score total, because yeah, so if you had all the teams win or lose, then you would get 18 points, because one of them wins and gets 3, one of them loses and gets 0, and you would end up with 18 points. And the only way to get less points is if you have a tie between the 2 points, between the two teams. So in the case of a tie, each team gets a 1 point, and for a total of 2 per game. Whereas in the other case, it's a total of 3 per game. So this is the only way you can get less points for those matches. So I would say you can't really go below. I can't think of a combination for these 6 matches where you can get below 2 points. You would have to get like 2 points in the first match. So there's 6 matches, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you would have to get 2 points in each match, except for the last one where you only get 1 point in that match, and that's just not possible. So the correct answer should be C.